Hello, everyone. In this video, listen carefully to each sentence. Pause the video after you hear it and try to repeat it aloud.
Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a new bank account, please.
Of course. Do you want a savings account or a checking account?
I think a checking account would be better.
All right. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Do you also have proof of address, like a utility bill or rental agreement?
Yes, I brought my electricity bill with me.
Perfect. That will work. Would you like a debit card with this account?
Yes, I'd like that. It will be very useful.
Great. You'll also get online banking access so you can check your balance and transfer money anytime.
That sounds very convenient.
To open the account, there's a minimum deposit of $100. Would you like to deposit cash or pay by card?
I'll deposit cash. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll process this deposit right now. Done. Your account is now active.
Wonderful. How long will it take to receive my debit card?
You should receive it in about 7-10 business days by mail. Until then, you can still withdraw cash at the counter.
Okay, good to know. Can I also set up online banking today?
Yes, of course. I'll register your email and phone number, and you'll receive a temporary password that you can change later.
Perfect. Please use this email and phone number.
Got it. You'll get a message in a few minutes with your login details.
Great. By the way, how much is the monthly fee for this account?
There's no monthly fee if you keep at least $500 in the account. Otherwise, it's $5 per month.
All right, that's fair. And what about international transfers?
You can make them through online banking, but there's a small service fee depending on the country.
That's fine.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, how can I deposit my salary into this account?
You just need to give your new account number to your employer. They can transfer your salary directly every month.
Excellent, that's exactly what I need.
Here's your account number and all the details in this folder. Please keep it safe.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. We're happy to have you as a new customer.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.